through my window, through my clothes, then straight through me, burning my molecules like discarded food. And on my floor it lays a broken picture of you and I, burning here with me. And I think to myself, maybe heatstroke's better than heartbreak. Maybe anything's better than that. Oh, maybe heatstroke's better than heartbreak. Maybe anything is better than that. If I could leave, I would. But if I did, I would be lost. I'm aimless without you, and I'll hurt when I'm around you. I'll wait patiently for your call, as if that would change a thing. Maybe hearing your voice would save me from this self-harming thing. 'Cause maybe heatstroke's better than heartbreak. Maybe anything is better than that. Oh, maybe heatstroke's better than heartbreak. Maybe anything is better than that. I stare at my red-flecked wall through double vision and pain. As my outsides melt as I wait for you, my inside and self-hatred wins. Maybe heatstroke's better than heartbreak. Maybe anything's better than that. Oh, maybe heatstroke's better than heartbreak. Maybe anything is better than that. I fall to my knees as I boil in my own tube, cut through my own insecurities in a furnace of my own doom. I think about you every single night, and I'm sure that you don't think about me that much. Maybe in a fleeting memory of what we used to be, but never in that way, the way that you feel like you're missing someone, maybe missing a part of yourself. And I know maybe we weren't meant to be, but still it hurts that you don't message me, and still it hurts that you don't look at me when I pass you in the line to order my coffee. All the times we had together, do you even remember? All the times we had together, do you even remember? All the times we had together, do you even remember? All the times we had together, do you even remember? 'Cause I remember every part of you. I probably still remember your favourite colour too. I think I know your favourite show, or I knew what your favourite show used to be. And I know your favourite book and your favourite type of tea. But all this knowledge ain't getting me fuck all. Maybe it'd be better for both of us if I just forgot you. But I can't ever forget you. Whoa, ba 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 da ba ba ba, ba 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 da ba da ba, ba 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 da ba ba ba, ba 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 da ba ba ba, ba 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 da ba da ba, ba 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 da ba da ba da ba da ba da 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 da, ba 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 da 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 da, ba 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 da 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 da. Wa ba ba da ba 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 da ba da ba, wa ba ba da ba da ba, ba 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 da ba da ba, ba 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 da ba ba ba, ba 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 da ba da ba, ba 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 da ba da ba. All the times we had together, do you even remember? All the times we had together, do you even remember? All the times we had together, do you even remember? All the times we had together, do you even remember? My waking life is a nightmare, but my dreams are 10 times worse. The worst you can do in real life is ignore me, but in my dreams you can tear me apart. I don't wanna be awake anymore, I don't wanna be awake anymore, but I don't wanna sleep either, I don't wanna sleep either. I don't wanna be awake anymore, I don't wanna be awake anymore, but I don't wanna sleep either, I don't wanna sleep either. My life is a series of unfortunate events, and I must contest that I hate it. My head hurts when I think of you, and my heart hurts when I remember us. I don't wanna be awake anymore, I don't wanna be awake anymore, but I don't wanna sleep either, I don't wanna sleep either. I don't wanna be awake anymore, I don't wanna be awake anymore, but I don't wanna sleep either, I don't wanna sleep either. Everything I've ever done I hoped would save me. Now I'm not safe no matter where I go. The world that I live in hates me, but the worlds I create are so much worse. Sleep used to be our retreat. Every day for a month after you left me, I used to trust you, now I can't even trust me, and I've murdered my sleep. I don't wanna be awake anymore, I don't wanna be awake anymore, but I don't wanna sleep either, I don't wanna sleep either. I don't wanna be awake anymore, I don't wanna be awake anymore, but I don't wanna sleep either, I don't wanna to write. I'm quite a fan of Vimto, and I don't like Birmingham. But none of that shit matters, 'cause it's got nothing to do with me. It's just part of some false identity that you like to think is me. I'm just a fucking faker, a useless, pointless, annoying faker. I'm just a fucking faker that has no real friends. I wish that I could just be myself, but then you'd hate me for it. At least if you don't like a fake version of me, I won't take it too personally. I wish that I could just be myself, but then you'd hate me for it. At least if you don't like a fake version of me, I won't take it too personally. I won't take it too personally. I won't take it too personally. 2 days ago I thought I knew it all. Why the sun rises in the way it does, and why my life is shit. Maybe now I'll be able to fix it.
Yesterday, I'm pretty sure I knew it all. Why you left me, what I did, and how to fix it.
But for the spiritually unenlightened, think we know everything we need, yet still our lives are messed up. Undeniably we feed our own lives. Today I definitely know it all. Everything I've done wrong, the opportunities of my life. I could probably fix it now.
Tomorrow I might know it all. Understand the mistakes I made today, see the errors of my way. I definitely can fix it.
Oh, for the spiritually unenlightened, think we know everything we need, yet still our lives are messed up. Undeniably we feed our own lives. I don't know it,
Yes, I know it.
I can't know it.
Of course I know it. I'm gonna fix everything.
You
I'm
can't,
gonna be everything that I wanted to be.
you don't understand. You think you know it all, but you don't.
Maybe I do.
Well, you can try. Not sure if this helps, but I'm sorry for the things that I did and the things that I said. Something in my life went so wrong, but I swear that I'm trying to make it better.
not for you anymore, I think, but for me. I try to move forward, I swear. Hello, old friend, it is me. I'm trying to be so much better. I'm sorry for the people that I hurt. I never loved you in the way I should. I'm sorry if I let you think that I didn't want you, but I swear I'm sorry for what I did. Hello, old friend, it is me. Trying to be so much better. I'm sorry for the people that I hurt. I never loved you in the way I should. I wake up every day now, sometime before noon. I didn't know trying to be better was so hard, but I won't stop, I swear. The part of me that was hurt, I left with you. And I'm sorry I didn't help you then. I guess I was more focused on the future than doing what was right. Hello, old friend, it is me. I'm trying to be so much better. Sorry for the people that I hurt. I never loved you in the way I should. I'm sorry, me. I'm not who I once was. Spoken in so long, I can't claim to know you anymore. Maybe you're happier now, or maybe you're not. I can't pretend that I know. I don't remember if you liked milk in your tea or not, or if you even liked tea. I don't remember the sound of your voice, or the shape of your face. I don't remember you. I don't know you anymore. I only know what you used to be. You used to claim optimistic cynicism to hide your hopeless nihilism. I'm not sure I ever heard you laugh. And no amount of makeup could ever cover the scars on your wrist. I wonder if you ever stopped smoking, or if you ever realised drinking wouldn't heal your heart. I wonder if you ever made it in your big Broadway dream. I don't know you anymore. I don't know you anymore. I don't know you anymore. But I hope that you're happy. I hope that you're happy. I hope that you found peace. I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Hopefully not soon. I'll tell people I'm pragmatic, that's a lie. I'm incredibly melodramatic. I'm pretty sure I act as if every inconvenience is gonna end my life.
new method of saying I'm aware, make it better. If the things I say are cringe, does acknowledgement of that make it okay? I'm compulsively melodramatic, pretend as if my life is always ending, and I don't wanna be misconstrued, it's not. But I'm not as mentally unstable as I may seem. I know I act as if my whole life is love, hate and despair, and as if I don't have enough words. But trust me, I have plenty of words, even if I pretend that this is the prime of my life. I always talk like Heatstroke is better than Heartbreak, acting like I don't want to be awake anymore. I pretend my whole life is fake. Maybe that excuses me from responsibility. I'm compulsively melodramatic. I pretend as if my life is always ending, and I don't wanna be misconstrued. It's not, but I'm not as mentally unstable as I may seem. To be honest, I build things up to seem worse than they are. I swear I'll write good songs the next week, probably, but that's just because I don't want you to leave my side. I act as if I'm lonely forever, or I'm wasting away, but I'm happy most of the time. If I could stay forever I would, but candy-coated contentness is most of my life. Compulsively melodramatic, I pretend as if my life is always ending, and I don't wanna be misconstrued. It's not, but I'm not as mentally as unstable as I may seem. I say I'm spiritually unenlightened, but hello old friend, I'm really not. I'll probably be less dramatic one day, but that's not today. I always said I'd be successful, or something along those lines, but I feel as if 5 years ago was just yesterday. I'm not sure I've achieved as much as I could have, or I'm where I wanted to be. The summer after GCSE'S, I said I'd do so much, and I'd grow so massively, and I finally learned how to talk to women. I spent a few weeks sleeping, if that counts as a thing to have succeeded at. And I've learned how to chug milk without throwing up. And I've eaten enough packets of crisps for just diabetes, to be honest. My dad has that. Woo! Really? The summer after GCSE, I said I'd do so much. I said I'd grow so massively, and I could finally learn how to talk to women. 11 weeks, 11 weeks, 11 weeks, 11 weeks, 11 weeks, 11 weeks, 11 weeks. Oh, 11 weeks, 11 weeks, 11 weeks, 11 weeks, 11 weeks, 11 weeks. That's a lot of weeks. Oh, I'm so confused. Don't really have to